Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn about an exciting science topic, combustion and flame. So, what is combustion? It's a chemical process where substances burn in the presence of oxygen to release heat. Have you ever seen a candle burning or a gas stove? That's combustion in action. But do you know what's needed for something to catch fire? You need three things: fuel, like wood or gas; oxygen, from the air; and heat, enough to reach ignition temperature. And now, let's talk about something exciting: fireworks. Have you ever wondered how fireworks burst with such bright lights and loud sounds? Well, it's all thanks to a special type of combustion called an explosion. An explosion is a very sudden and fast combustion reaction. It produces a lot of heat, light, sound, and a shock wave, all in just a split second. Inside a firecracker, there's a small amount of explosive material. When we light the fuse, it heats up the material quickly. And boom! Collision. The gases expand rapidly, causing that loud bang and colorful sparks in the sky. Also, different chemicals produce different flame colors in fireworks. Yellow circle sodium makes yellow, red circle strontium makes red, green circle barium makes green, and blue circle copper gives blue. So next time you see a Diwali firework or a New Year rocket, you'll know, it's science in action. Innermost zone, dark zone, fire color, black or dark. Thermometer temperature, least hot. Test tube Y. Contains unburnt wax vapors. No oxygen here. Cross mark, no combustion happens here. Brain, think of this as the fuel zone. Small diamond 2. Middle zone, luminous zone, fire color, bright yellow. Thermometer temperature, moderate heat. Test tube Y. Partial, incomplete combustion due to limited oxygen. Running dash produces soot, carbon particles. Check mark, this part glows and gives visible light. Brain, think of this as the glowing zone. Small diamond 3. Outermost zone, non-luminous zone, fire color, blue or faint. Thermometer temperature, hottest part of the flame. Test tube Y. Complete combustion takes place here. Check mark, very little or no soot produced. Brain, think of this as the cooking, heating zone. Goldsmiths, people who work with gold and silver, use the outermost blue zone of a flame for melting metals. Check mark, why? Because the outermost zone is the hottest and causes complete combustion. It melts the metal quickly and cleanly without blackening or soot. Brain, this proves that the blue zone, outermost, is the hottest part of the flame. 1. What is combustion? Combustion is a chemical reaction in which a fuel burns in the presence of oxygen to give off heat and light. Check mark, complete combustion light bulb definition. When a fuel burns in plenty of oxygen, and all carbon in the fuel turns into carbon dioxide, CO. Fire example: LPG stove flame, blue, CNG in vehicles. Candle's outermost blue flame. Microscope chemical equation: CH plus 2O, right pointing arrow, carbon dioxide plus 2 hydrogen oxide plus heat. CH equals methane, fuel, O equals oxygen. Products equals carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Cross mark, incomplete combustion light bulb definition. When a fuel burns in limited oxygen, it forms carbon monoxide, CO, or soot, C, instead of just carbon dioxide. Fire example: yellow candle flame. Charcoal burning in closed space. Smoke from wood fire. Microscope chemical equation: 2CH plus 3O, right pointing arrow, 2CO plus 4 hydrogen oxide plus less heat. Less oxygen equals formation of carbon monoxide, CO, very poisonous. Let's compare two common fuels, LPG and wood. LPG, or liquefied petroleum gas, is the clean fuel you use in your kitchen. It burns with a blue flame, gives more heat, and leaves no smoke or ash. Wood, on the other hand, is a traditional fuel used in villages. But it burns incompletely, creates a lot of smoke, and releases pollutants that can harm our health. Also, wood leaves behind ash, and can even cause deforestation if overused. So while both are used for cooking, LPG is cleaner, healthier, and more efficient. That's why we say, LPG is a clean fuel, and wood is a polluting fuel. And that brings us to the end of our fiery journey into the world of combustion and flame. Fire. Today, we discovered how something as simple as a candle flame has zones, colors, and temperatures, all working together in a beautiful science show. We learned the difference between complete and incomplete combustion, and why LPG burns clean while wood can pollute. We saw how goldsmiths use the hottest part of a flame to melt metals, and how fireworks explode in brilliant colors, all because of fast combustion reactions. But remember, with all this amazing science comes responsibility. Whether it's using gas in the kitchen, lighting a diya, or enjoying a campfire, we must always follow safety precautions and treat fire with respect. So, the next time you light a candle or see a rocket zoom into the sky, think of the science behind it. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more cool lessons explained in the simplest way. Drop a comment below if you have any doubts or if you want us to cover a topic you love. Outgoing Mail. This is Logith, and we'll see you next time with another exciting topic. Till then, stay curious, stay safe, and keep learning. Bye bye. Hand waving fire.